Hi, my name is Amara. I'm 8 years old. I created a memory match game called Gravedigger. This game has a story around it, but mainly you are a zombie in a field of coffins. So you can open a coffin to reveal a monster. Two of the same monster is a match, which means they are removed from the field. You have to remove all the monsters quickly. Now here are 10 of the most remarkable things about this game. 1. The graphic effects. For example, I used a lot in backdrops to make them speak. 2. Every monster and coffin you see is a clone. This makes the code very efficient. 3. I used a function that's really cool, right? It rotates through 6 costumes to make the monsters come alive. I only have to run it once at the beginning and for each clone, and then it's set for the whole game. Yay! 4. I used lots of broadcasts to do 3 things. Change backgrounds, open coffins, and remove the matched coffins. The game is complex because each turn has 2 moves, so you have to remember the data about the first move as well. 5. I use acceleration and deceleration to make the zombie move. 6. The zombie has a lockdown mode. So if one arrow key is pressed, then another arrow key is not allowed at the same time. 7. You can pick easy, medium, or hard levels for a different number of coffins on the field. Number 8 is just a comment for the future. I might add other little perks to this game, such as a 2-player mode against the human or the computer, and you can choose the computer's smartness level for the game. 9. Now you remember we talked about rotating through costumes? So sometimes when you match 2 monsters, they might be doing different things. Like one might be walking and one might be sleeping. So one of the really cool features is that I use the monster style list to help match them. 10. Finally, they're spooky and funny sounds. There's a high score tracking for each level and an ending celebration with a surprise. But I won't tell you. Why don't you see it for yourself? Thanks for watching. Boo!